you're embarking on a start of a new time in your lives. Lifelong love requires a lifetime of hard work. However, it is a joyous labor whose fruits are the very richest. Your future stretches out before both of you, vast and unknown.
A lot of you probably won't know this, but I was the matchmaker for this wonderful couple. Yes. So it was Maddie's first summer back from college, and I was so excited to have my sister back with me. But my parents were really pressuring Maddie to get a job. And after a few unsuccessful attempts at getting a babysitting job and a trip to the unemployment office, I finally said, Maddie, just apply where I work.
Dear Maddie, you do remember that our first interaction was a job interview. That because you chose to work at Hollister in the Apple Blossom Mall, we would one day end up here. It was you and me in the middle of the mall walkway interviewing for a part-time job that would prove to be nothing. Nothing happened. You were home from JMU, and I was, what I thought, killing time until some better opportunity came along. I'm still searching for that job opportunity.
And afterwards, after her interview, I was like, how did it go? What do you think? Do you think you would like it? She said, the interview went okay, but the manager seems really nice. The manager actually ended up being the groom, Colin Mayer.
Okay, I just gotta hide.
Colin, in words that are my own today, I make no promises, only vows to you. I vow to always listen with an open mind and a deep heart, knowing that we each bring different perspectives and strengths to our partnership. I vow that our home will always be filled with music, joy, laughter, and all that makes life vibrant. I vow to indulge your movie choices, even when they're over 2 hours long. I vow to always support your dreams and passions, pushing you towards your goals and always challenging you. I see so much greatness in you that we can accomplish over our lifetime together.
And finally, I vow to give you all of me. I cannot promise I will be perfect. You have seen my wardrobe. But through the ups and downs, the wild and tame, and the difficult to the easy, I am yours from this day forward. I promise to provide my whole self to you for as long as I am alive.
It gives me great pride and pleasure to now be able to pronounce the two of you as husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Mayer.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the second time this evening, Mr. and Mrs. Mayer!
We praise you for the love and commitment of Maddie and Colin as they share their first meal as husband and wife.
So my toast is simple tonight. May you both wake up every morning to that same sense of excitement you had on that Christmas Eve so many years ago. Cheers.
If you want to go quick, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. So here's a toast to Maddie and Colin going far, far, far together.